Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, folks, welcome to my smoky world. I just washed my pickup yesterday. I don't know, yeah. And that's the ash on the windows. Pardon the mess inside. And on the hood. I don't really wash this truck a whole bunch, but just thought I'd be showing you folks what we're living with here right now. I'll go down the end of the driveway here and I'll give you a little bit. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And fortunately this morning we had a little bit of wind. So it did clear it off for a bit, but it's certainly coming back in like gangbusters. So that's the way we've been for the last 6 weeks. Give some thoughts to the firefighters that are working pretty much straight up ahead here, some 50 miles. They're working real hard. Try and knock that fire down. Okay, just a quickie. Bye now. Well, here we are the very next day. And, okay. Yeah, she's getting thick. Thicker and thicker and thicker. Look at that. I'll go down the end of the driveway here. It stinks. Humidity's up a little bit. And there's my view from yesterday. So, think about us, folks. Always thinking of you. Bye now. Well, good morning, everybody. I'm back. It's been a month that I've been down. So I figured, well, it was time to get at her, and we're going to see what we can do today. And what we're going to do today is for Slacker Stacker. And this little bag of pennies right here is going to get some transformation. So we're going to sort through them here a little bit. These are all copper pre-1990. Pre-96 is the highest copper in the Canadian. So we'll see you folks shortly when I get about 35 of them all figured out. So see you soon. Bye now. Okay, here we go. We have 35 pennies, Canadian pennies, a dragon mold. You guys have seen me heat up and melt many times, so I'll be back for the pour. Let's see what we can come up with here. Okay. Why is it? Why, oh why, oh why? Where are they? Okay. So what we ended up with here today was a really nice. I think you'll like it. I don't know what to do with the back. You know, it looks kind of like a lava flow with... I might just leave that just the way it is. Just because. And then we have a little baby dragon. Here's your little baby. Slacker Stacker. There you go, bud. Love you bunch. Take care. It'll be in the mail shortly. Bye, folks. Well, Slacker Stacker, here we go. Now, these are just, got them cleaned up, but we still have to go off to polish and stamping. Now, I did these out of that batch of pennies, and I got this little mountain range on there, and a lava flow that looks like, and I was going to remelt it, and I thought, nah, it's kind of neat. So, I left it. There you go. There's about 35 Canadian pennies. And a little bitty dragon to go along with it. I'm sure he'll look pretty nice when he's all done up for you. So these will be along in the mail in a bit. I got some other things to put together for you. So you take care, and I hope you enjoy them. Bye now.